enjoy kids. Today we're playing Splash Game. Have fun with us. Have fun with us.
So who's going first?
Me.
Okay. Yay! Second. Yay! And third. Yay! Oh, unlucky. How can you do it like? Not there. Oh. Harder.
Okay. Gonna do this hard.
On the wall. Okay. On the wall, yes. Well done. Well done. Whoa. Whoa, harder.
Okay.
On the wall, not on the floor. Way. Yay. Yay. Wait, let your sister come. Alicia, come. Go, it's okay. Go. Yay. Wow. Whoa, how many do you have left?
2.
Wow.
2.
And Alicia? How many does Alicia have?
3.
Woo. Whoa.
I have 1.
Alicia, you trying? Yay. Okay, let's do it. Yay. So, how many did you throw over? I think, Janaya, how many did you throw over? 3. Then, Gabriel, how many did you throw over? 2. Come. And how many did Alicia throw over? 3. Okay. So, who is the winner? All of you are winners, isn't it? So, what do you say to your viewers?